Health Network for public health.
Hello, you re-listening to audio category nutrition on the medical network website.vn. Does apple cider vinegar deserve the hype? You've heard food bloggers and wellness gurus talk about how good it is for you. So what health benefits does ACV really have? Apple cider vinegar is having a bit of a moment right now. It's popping up in health food recipes everywhere online. And wellness gurus are sharing their love for the liquid all over social media. Fans claim it can help with a number of ailments, including upset stomachs, colds, and dandruff. Some even go as far as to say it can ward off cancer and heart disease. While we know that what we eat and drink does play a big role in our health, is apple cider vinegar really all it's cracked up to be? Do the health claims about it actually hold water? 1. It can help regulate blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Drinking an ounce or two of apple cider vinegar along with their snacks or meals was shown to lower blood sugar more than eating the same food with water. 2. It can ward off weight gain. The acetic acid in vinegar can help the body to break down fat. Drinking half an ounce to an ounce of apple cider vinegar every day may lead to a slimmer waist and lower body weight, research suggests. 3. It can bust gut bacteria. Acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar was shown to promote the growth of good gut bacteria in mice. If this mechanism also occurs in humans, it could mean better digestion. However, other kinds of vinegar may have these same effects. And though apple cider vinegar may have some health benefits, it's unclear if it really helps protect your heart or fight cancer, as some claim. Basically, apple cider vinegar isn't the cure-all you may have heard it is, but it can be a healthy sip to add to your diet. Here's how to use it. Don't drink apple cider vinegar straight, as it might wear away at your teeth and hurt your throat. Instead, drink 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with a teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm water once a day. Or, you can use it as the base of your next homemade salad dressing. It's a tasty way to boost the health benefits of any dish. Source: Health. If you have any questions, please feel free to share your comments below. Please register for the Health Network channel, share this article with your friends and others. Keep track of the next audio. Hope this article will bring you many useful things. Wish you always healthy.